today we're gonna make blueberry cake. Let's get cooking. We're going to need flour, sugar, blueberries, and eggs. We also need baking powder, vanilla, salt, and butter. First we need to cream the butter and the sugar together. Now let's mix it together. Now our sugar and butter are ready. Let's add the eggs. Let's add the vanilla. Now we mix it again. Now let's add the baking powder and the salt. Let's add in the flour. Now we mix it all together. Batter's ready. Let's add the blueberries. Now our butter is ready. Let's put it in the pan. Pippity poppity poo. And there you go. Let's add some more blueberries on top. Let's put our cake in the oven and let it bake. Our blueberry cake is done. Smells yummy. It's delicious.
What'd you do? What'd you do? Look at you. You're silly girl.
Two or four?
Just on the one or the two.
Now let's put our cake in the oven and let it cake. It's delicious.